Do you want to give someone access to AWS account without giving them admin access? In this video, I will show you how you can give someone AWS account access without giving them admin privileges. In this video, we will create the IAM user for some person and assign a particular policies and permission to him so he can only access particular services instead of him accessing the whole account. In AWS, IAM user is used as identity. For example, I'm Saurabh, and I will be given a specific permission so I don't access the whole account. So let's jump right in and see how we can do that. So first, go to your AWS Management Console. Search for IAM, and you will see an option for the users. Okay. I have not created any user on this account, so we will begin with the first process. Click on Create User. I will name this user Saurabh, and I will provide the Management Console access. Management Console access is this GUI interface that someone will be able to, this user will be able to access the Management Console. I'm not going to use the identity provider method. I will use the normal IAM user that we can use in the AWS. You can create auto-generated password also, and for example, you want to give another employee, or you are from IT team or your cloud team, and you want to create a user for someone who newly joined. In that case, you can create the auto-generated password and check this option that once he log in, he can reset his password based on his preferences. But I will create here custom password. Okay, and I will uncheck this because I don't want myself to change password when I log in. I will click on next, and here there are three options. Either you can add someone in the group and assign permission to that group. So in that case, if there are new users coming into the same team, you can just add those persons into that group. Another option is copy permission. So you want to click copy the permissions from someone or attach policies directly. So the policies will be directly added to this user. I will continue with attach policy directly. For now, I will not add any policy. And I will show you once the user is logged in, how he sees his interface. And once I add the permissions, what are the changes that he can see. I will click on next and I will create the user. I will be given the console link, and you can also download this whole file and share if you want to share with someone from your team or someone client he has given you, he might share you a CSV file. So I will click copy this link and I will open private window. I will paste this link. Now I will add the username and the password. I've copied this one also and I've pasted. Let's log in. In this account, we have created some S3 buckets. I will go here. I will duplicate this one and I will return. If I go here, you will see I have three S3 buckets added and I want this user to access it. I will go to S3 bucket and I have three buckets, right? But this user should not be able to access anything because he does not have access to anything. So if I go here, you will see the user is not able to access anything. Now we want him to give the access. So we will go to the user. We will attach the policy and attach directly. I will give him S3 full access for now. Or you can give the S3 read only based on the requirement. For example, he's someone admin who needs to check all the data and all the services, all the what we can say files inside it, or upload it or delete or modify, do anything with the S3 bucket. So in that case, I will add the permission. Now we will go back and it's instant. He will be able to see the permissions immediately. Now hard refreshed it, and you can see the Saurabh user is able to access the whole all of the three buckets. That's how you can give someone access to a particular service. And if you want to add any other services, you can always add more services to this. Okay, that's how you can add someone or give someone a permission to a particular service. In the next video, I will show you how you can customize the access to the at the service level also. Currently, this user can access all these three buckets. Now, if you want to give him only a single bucket access, how you can do that? So that's what we will see in our next video, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video, and comment if you want me to share any particular content related to AWS or any other cloud vendor. So that's all for video, guys. Thank you. Bye.